Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check your orders in the SHEIN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the Me button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then look for the My Orders section and click on the View All button. And here, as you can see, you will find all your unpaid, processing, shipped and reviewed purchases, as well as your returns. So you can find all of them here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.